Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is one that's been blowing up lately, using artificial intelligence, or AI, to get rich. Now, before you click away thinking this is some get-rich-quick scheme, let me assure you it's not. But AI can definitely be a powerful tool in your financial arsenal. So buckle up and let's dive into the world of AI-powered wealth building. What is AI and how does it apply to finance? First things first. Let's break down AI. AI refers to computer programs that can mimic human intelligence, like learning and problem solving. In finance, AI is used for a variety of things, from analyzing massive data sets to predict market trends, to automating tasks like portfolio management. 3 ways AI can help you on your wealth-building journey. All right, now for the fun part. Here are 3 ways AI can be your secret weapon. Robo-advisors. These are automated investment platforms powered by AI algorithms. They analyze your financial goals and risk tolerance, then create and manage a diversified investment portfolio for you. Think of it as having a financial advisor on autopilot, minus the hefty fees. Stock picking with AI. Forget staring at endless charts. AI-powered tools can analyze vast amounts of financial data and identify undervalued stocks with high growth potential. This doesn't mean it's a guaranteed win, but it can be a great starting point for your research. AI-powered budgeting. Budgeting can be a drag, but AI can make it painless. These budgeting apps learn your spending habits and automatically categorize transactions, identify areas to save, and even predict future expenses. Imagine having a financial cheerleader, keeping you on track. Important considerations before you jump in. Now, AI is powerful, but it's not magic. Here are some things to keep in mind. Do your research. Not all AI tools are created equal. Read reviews, compare features, and make sure the platform aligns with your financial goals. AI doesn't replace human intelligence. Use AI as a tool, not a crutch. Always do your own due diligence before making any financial decisions. AI can be biased. Just like any technology, AI algorithms can be biased based on the data they're trained on. Be aware of potential biases and diversify your information sources. Getting started with AI for finance. Feeling ready to explore AI for yourself? Here are some steps to get you going. Define your goals. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or just trying to build a nest egg? Knowing your goals will help you choose the right AI tools. Research different platforms. There are tons of robo-advisors, budgeting apps, and AI-powered stock analysis tools out there. Compare features, fees, and user reviews before committing. Start small. Don't pour your entire life savings into an AI-powered investment. Test the waters with a small amount and see how comfortable you are with the platform. Beyond the basics, advanced AI for finance. This video just scratched the surface. For the more adventurous out there, AI is being used in some cutting-edge ways in finance, like high-frequency trading. Complex algorithms make lightning-fast trades based on market fluctuations. This is a risky game best left to professionals, but it showcases the power of AI. Fraud detection. AI is on the front lines of fighting financial fraud by analyzing transactions and identifying suspicious patterns. The future of AI and finance. The future of AI in finance is bright. We can expect even more sophisticated tools and applications. But remember, AI is a tool, not a magic bullet. Use it wisely alongside your own financial knowledge and discipline for a richer tomorrow. Host, so, are you ready to explore the exciting world of AI-powered finance? Let me know in the comments below what AI tools you're curious about, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome finance content.